Come test drive this 2018 Ford Fusion. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, power front seats, and a split-folding rear seat. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.